In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints effectively. Whether you're managing a team project or just getting started with agile methodologies, understanding how to set up and utilize sprints in ClickUp can significantly boost your productivity and keep your project on track. Let's begin by enabling the Sprints Click app. This is an essential step as it unlocks the features you'll need for managing sprints within ClickUp. Note that this action is reserved for workspace owners or admins. If you're in that role, you'll start by navigating to the Apps and Integrations section, where you'll find a range of Click apps designed to enhance your workspace. Scroll through the list until you find the Sprints Click app. Here, you'll want to toggle it on, and if you plan on estimating the effort for tasks, consider activating the Sprint Points toggle as well. This can be a useful tool for measuring the effort involved in each task, helping you and your team stay on top of workload estimates. Once these are enabled, you'll notice that sprint folders and lists become available for immediate use, giving you the foundational tools to start organizing your sprints. Now, let's move on to creating a sprint folder and your first sprint. Think of a sprint folder as the container that will house all of your sprints. It's a way to keep related sprints organized and accessible. To create one, head to your Space sidebar and click the plus symbol to add a new element. Select Sprint Folder from the options presented. As you set this up, you'll have the opportunity to configure several important aspects of your sprints. Decide on a default cadence, which is essentially the rhythm or cycle in which you want your sprints to occur. This might be weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever suits your team's workflow best. Next, focus on the naming convention. Keeping it clear and consistent will make navigation easier for everyone involved. You'll also need to decide on how you'll measure effort. You can choose between points or time, depending on which method aligns better with your team's strategy. Additionally, don't forget to set any non-working days, which are crucial for accurately scheduling and planning your sprint activities. Finally, by creating this sprint folder, your very first sprint will automatically be generated as a list within it. This sets you up to immediately start populating your sprint with tasks and allocate resources as needed. By following these instructions, you'll harness the full power of ClickUp's sprints, leading to better organization, enhanced team collaboration, and increased productivity. Remember, the more organized your approach, the smoother your projects will run. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and good luck